I'm here at the Mobile World Life Studio with Romil Bahl, CEO of KORE. Thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So managed services in IoT is on a huge growth trajectory. Why do you think this is?
So managed services are one of the ways we're addressing some of these complexities that have held IoT back the last 10 or so years, more. From all of the Lego bricks that customers have to put together, our customers, KORE's customers, to actually deploy an IoT solution, the device, the module or radio, the antenna, and then it's all got to get configured and assembled and tested, and it's got to get out to their end customers, and on and on and on. And it's got to happen in a secure way. And these are the many moving pieces and sort of complexities that have held IoT back. So effectively, point solutions just don't matter anymore. It's just not enough, right? You can't just say, I'm just going to ship you a device, or I'm just going to handle the logistics bit, and you put it together. There was a statistic out with one of the top consulting firms in the world talking about how to launch one end-to-end IoT solution, a company needs an average of 18 partners, an average. If you're deploying in many countries, it could be many, many more. 2/3 of all IoT solutions fail or don't meet their business case because of those complexities. And this is where managed services comes in, and KORE is becoming, for example, more of a one-stop shop for many of these services, and that's where we see the growth.
So here at MWC, you launched ModGo. Can you tell us a little bit about it, please?
Yeah, so ModGo, so first of all, it's manage, order, deploy on the go, which sort of implies this notion of, all right, let's get this one-stop shop on the road for you. ModGo is a software SaaS analytics tool that actually provides visibility to our customers through the various steps of their deployment. So the first thing we did 5-ish years ago when I got to the company and put our new strategy in place was we said, let's look at all these complexities. Let's look at what's holding back the adoption of IoT. And we came up with this 7x7 process or framework that has the 7 big steps that a customer has to take to deploy, and each of those has 7 major deliverables. And steps 3 to 7, connectivity, forward logistics, support, reverse logistics, and analytics is really where the managed services focus or emphasis of our business is. And ModGo goes across all of those steps and provides on one screen visibility that was hitherto just unknown, right? So customers just don't know have devices been shipped to their customers, have they been received, have they been activated. It's just this black hole, I've lost control, I've lost visibility of my devices. And so ModGo gives you all of that, and even better, you can use APIs to integrate into your ERP, into your order management, inventory management systems, and really make this easy, as is our tagline, make it easy with ModGo.
So what's next in managed services for KORE?
So managed services, look, so we're going to continue what we're doing. We've matured our 7x7 framework. Customers can engage with us and say, okay, you can do all these pieces, great, please do it, and go and enable all of that with ModGo, and that's fine. But what we're excited about now at KORE is identifying these sort of frequently occurring problems in the hottest growth use cases. For example, in connected health, where clinical trials are becoming decentralized and managed remotely with technology, and roughly 10% of these clinical trials used to be technology enabled before the pandemic, and people not wanting to come into clinics for these things and so forth. It's hurtling towards about 75 to 80% of clinical trials being enabled by technology, or all of this remote patient monitoring stuff, right? Monitoring, continuous glucose monitoring for diabetes patients, or cardiac rhythm monitoring for heart patients. All of these solutions need the same exact thing, which is a hub or gateway in a home connected to the monitoring equipment, or a weight scale, or blood pressure cuffs and monitors of different kinds, and getting that data back. And so an example of our pre-configured solutions is our connected health telemetry solution, which actually got a couple of innovation awards for us. And so customers can just pick these up, deploy them, and go, and it really makes that adoption, again, even easier, right? Because you got a pre-configured solution to go. So that's what we're excited about, and that's what's next at KORE.
Sounds very exciting future. Thank you very much.